1,000 kilometre journey across Australia, heading up the Supercharger Highway to Rockhampton, then making a sharp left turn across Queensland and the Northern Territory, charging where we can. Seven o'clock in Renner Springs. Had a little message there, so don't think we quite got as much charge as we thought we would. 76% though, so we'll head to Elliot, have breakfast and jump on the 3-phase there. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, leaving Renner Springs, heading for Mataranka. Just charged up for an hour at Elliot, got us back up to 72%. We get to Daily Waters pretty easily with 37. I can probably just about make it to Mataranka, but we'll charge up at Daily Waters while we have sort of an early lunch. Good spot. Took us about an hour to get here and took us about an hour to charge back up to 70 odd percent when we started. So we're charging about 100 kilometers per hour and driving at 100 kilometers an hour. So for every 100 kilometers we drive, it costs us an hour in charging. Pulled into Daily Waters. There was a lock on the charger here. It's the outside room 14, past the pub. So you've got to go ask for the key. Some Canberra dudes had charged here illegally, so it's got a lock on it now, which is all good. 50 cents a kilowatt, honesty system. Time for lunch. Charged up to 71%. Heading now to Mataranka, and we'll get there with, what does that say, 27? 32. 32%. Good day, we've got Jeff driving, my co-pilot. Hello Jeff. So we've arrived in Mataranka, about 32%. Just charging up on the 3-phase. Look at our trips today. So we've done 337 at 154 kilowatts. Not far to go. In fact, we are theoretically within distance of getting to Darwin if we got 100% charge here. I think we're about 430 kilometres away. So not that we're going to do that, we're going to go up to Catherine and spend a couple of days up there.
Homestead Road for 7.2 kilometres.
And so we'll just stay at a caravan park there. So pretty close to the end now, all looking good.